Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Maths Classes. So today in this video I am going to start a new chapter, that is surface area and volume, and also we'll discuss about the three important solid shapes, that is cylinder, cone and sphere. So let's start from the cylinder. So here with the help of this A4 sheet we'll form a cylinder. You need to just roll this A4 sheet in such a way that it forms a cylinder. So yes, you can see here that this sheet forms a cylinder. So here you can see it has two cross section. This is the first cross section, right, and this is the second cross section, and this is the height of this cylinder. So in case if you have to find the CSA of cylinder, so here CSA means curved surface area, right. So in order to find the curved surface area of cylinder, curved means you need to only see this curved portion. This all is your curved portion. So now how to find the CSA of cylinder? I told you to see this curved portion. So curved portion means you need to find the perimeter of this cross section. So perimeter of cross section multiplied by height of cylinder, that is your CSA. So now perimeter of this cross section. Perimeter means you need to find the perimeter of circle. You can see this cross section is in the shape of circle. Right. So perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. So here 2 pi r multiplied by height of this cylinder. Let's suppose the height of cylinder is h. So write here h. So therefore the CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h. That's it. Now second one, that is TSA. Now how to find the TSA of cylinder? So here again with the help of this sheet, I form the cylinder again. Now if we have to find the TSA of cylinder, so here TSA means total surface area. So total surface area means you have to count all this portion, this complete portion, that is the CSA plus these two cross section, right. So CSA plus area of these two cross section, that is the only TSA. So here TSA is equals to CSA plus area of the cross section. So here you will see in the cylinder there are two cross section. So area of this cross section is pi r square, but here there are two cross section. So this will be 2 pi r square. Now CSA is 2 pi RH. So just put the value here, 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. Now one more step. You will see here 2 pi r is common. So take 2 pi r common. Now what is left? H plus R. So this is the TSA of this cylinder. Right. Now moving to the last term, that is volume. Now how to find the volume of the cylinder? So volume is again area of this cross section multiplied by height. So area of cross section is pi r square. So volume is equals to pi r square multiplied by height of the cylinder. So therefore the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So here the CSA of cylinder is 2 pi rh. The TSA of cylinder is 2 pi r bracket r plus h, or we can say h plus r, and the volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So please have a look. Now moving to the next term, that is hollow cylinder. So here hollow cylinder is a kind of cylinder. So you can see here this is a hollow cylinder. This is the inner part and this is the outer part. So it means it will have two radius. This is the smaller radius, small r, and this is the big radius, capital R. Right. So now if we have to find the CSA of this hollow cylinder, so CSA of hollow cylinder is always inner CSA plus outer CSA. So inner CSA means 2 pi RH, because just now we got the CSA of cylinder, that is 2 pi r multiplied by height of cylinder. So here inner CSA means 2 pi RH. So inner CSA, in this case you will see this small radius, small r. So 2 pi RH plus, and this outer CSA means 2 pi capital R H, or else you can write in this way. You can see 2 pi is common here. So take 2 pi common. So 2 pi h is common, so r plus capital R. Now the next one, TSA. So here TSA means total surface area of this hollow cylinder. So here TSA means this complete portions including the CSA plus these two cross sections, right. So here TSA means this complete CSA, that is inner CSA plus outer CSA and plus area of these two cross section. Right. So here area of one cross section is pi r square. So if there are two cross section area, this will be 2 pi r square. But here in place of radius, you can see there are two radius, small r and capital R. So here this will be plus 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. So finally your TSA of this hollow cylinder will be inner CSA is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square minus small r square. That's it. Now the last term, that is volume. Now how to find the volume of this hollow cylinder? So volume is always area of the cross section multiplied by height. Right, so here area of the cross section is always pi r square, but here again two radius are there. So volume will be pi, make a bracket, capital R square minus small r square and multiplied by height of cylinder. So this is your volume of hollow cylinder. Now moving to the next topic, that is cone, and again we need to find the CSA, TSA and volume of this given cone. So here with the help of this A4 sheet, I try to make a cone. So this is not exactly like a cone, but it is considered as a cone. So here the first part is CSA. So now in order to find the CSA of the cone, so CSA means the curved surface area. You can see in this cone, if I place it in this way, all this curved portion is the only CSA. So here now how to find the CSA of the cone? So CSA of cone is always pi r L. Now here what is this L? So here L is always square root r square plus x square. Because in this cone you will see it clearly that this is the height of this cone and this height is making an angle of 90 degree. So here by applying the Pythagoras property, this is L square is equals to x square. Okay, I am writing here L square is equals to r square plus x square. So from here the value of L will be the same as it is, that is r square plus x square. So this is the value of L and the CSA of cone is pi r L. Or else I can write here in place of L, directly we can write r square plus x square. That's it. Now the second term, that is TSA. Now how to find the TSA of cone? So here TSA means you have to count this curved portion area including the cross section. Right. So here TSA is always CSA plus area of the cross section, that is pi r square. So here CSA is pi r L plus pi r square. So now you can take the common. So pi r is common here. So left is L plus r. This is your TSA of cone. And the last one is volume. Now how to find the volume of the cone? So volume of the cone is always area of the cross section multiplied by height. That's it. So area of the cross section is always pi r square and multiplied by height. So your volume of cone is pi r square h, but in this case you write 1 by 3. So here again multiplied by 1 by 3. So the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So please have a look. Now moving to the next topic, that is sphere. So here you can see a sphere is there. So if you have to find the CSA and TSA of the given sphere, so always keep in your mind that whenever we have to find the CSA and TSA of the sphere, it is always the same, that is 4 pi r square. Or else we can simply say that the surface area of sphere is always 4 pi r square. Right. So now the left is volume. So now the volume of sphere is always 4 by 3 pi r cube. So hence we can say that the surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square and the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now moving to the next topic, that is hemisphere. So here hemisphere means if you will cut this ball from this middle part, you'll get a hemisphere, right? So here in this case, this is the radius. Now if you have to find the CSA of the hemisphere, so here hemisphere means half of the sphere, right? So here the CSA of sphere is 4 pi r square. So hemisphere means half of the sphere. So half of 4 pi r square is 2 pi r square. So here CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, right? Now what about TSA? TSA is total surface area. So in this case, if you will see this hemisphere properly, here TSA means this complete CSA, this curved portion including the area of the cross section, right? So here TSA means CSA plus area of the cross section. So here CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus pi r square. So if you will add both the value, you will get 3 pi r square. So therefore we can say that the TSA of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Now if we have to find the volume of this hemisphere, so just now we got that the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So now the volume of hemisphere will be just half of this 4 by 3 pi r cube. So if you divide this complete value by 2, you will get 2 by 3 pi r cube. So in short we can say that CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, TSA of hemisphere is 3 pi r square, and volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. But in case of sphere, CSA and TSA both are same, that is 4 pi r square, or simply we can say that surface area of sphere, that is 4 pi r square. So please have it. Now the last topic is spherical shell. So in case of spherical shell, you need to only find the volume of spherical shell. So here in order to find the volume of the spherical shell, you should know that the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. But here in case of spherical shell, there will be two radius, right? That is small r and capital R. So here as the volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So in place of radius, you will make a bracket. You will write capital R cube minus small r cube. This is the only volume of this spherical shell. So students, I hope you all understood this, how to find the CSA, TSA and volume of this given solid shapes like cylinder, cone and sphere. And in my next video, I will be solving the exercise sum. So till then, stay connected and do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.